Hi there, it's Sandy Lou. How are you? We need to have quiet in the background.
Sorry. Oops.
My God, my friends, you can tell them stuff, but they don't listen. Okay, here I go again. Hi there, it's Sandy Lou. How are you? Today is a very special day. First of all, I have on my Santa helper's outfit. Very, very cute. And what I am going to be doing with you today, a show and tell. And I have my two good friends with me here today. They won't come on camera, but they agreed to say hi. So Gail.
Hello.
And Debbie.
Hi.
We are going to make boxwood Christmas trees. So fortunately, we have a boxwood bush in the back. And we're going to go out there and cut up what we need, bring it in the house, and then I will do a how to do. Yeah, I will. So be right back. Okay, so here is the boxwood tree. It's a pretty good size. It could use some trimming, as you can see. So we're gonna go in. We all have our own clippers. Deb, you got your clippers?
I have them.
Gail?
Check.
Check. All right. So we're gonna load up that basket. We have gathered our boxwood branches. And if I don't have enough, or we don't have enough, we can always come back out and get some more. So let's go in the house. It is time to make the boxwood tree. Now I made one already. I made it with my friends. I think I did an introduction. This is like a week later. Let me show you my my Christmas bush. I think it came out really cute. I like it. It doesn't look like a tree, but it is very festive. Let's see if I can get my shape into a tree this time. Now, I did go onto Amazon and I got my supplies. And the first thing you need is a container for your creation. And they sell them. And this is an Oasis container and it has these little bumps in there. So that will secure or help secure my Oasis. Now, Oasis needs to be soaked in water. When you pick up your Oasis, it is airless. It's so light. But once you soak it in the water, you don't need to soak it for long. It's heavy. I'm just going to take off the corners. The next thing I need to do is I need to secure the Oasis to the pot with floral tape. Now, I did get this floral tape at Dollar Tree, and I don't recommend it, but it's all I have. I would get the floral tape from Amazon. So this is a yard, 2 yards. I'm gonna go 3. I don't mind if I waste a little bit. Find half of this and come down with it. I think I'll do it this way because I don't have another person here. All right, so I went through the bottom. And now I will crisscross it. I can't pull too tight on this because if I do, it will rip. So now what I need to do is to come underneath it. And I'll come over here and tie my knot. And because I have some extra, I will go around. You just want to get this secure. Don't pull too tight if you have that floral tape from Dollar Tree because it will rip. All right, trim it down. There you go. Okay, so here is my boxwood, and I am very fortunate that I have a boxwood tree, a boxwood bush outside. And you can get boxwood at a florist, but I think it'll be pretty expensive. So if I were you, plant a boxwood tree in your yard. So I went out and I snipped a lot of branches. Now I have to find one that will make a good top of the tree. Just search. The first one you pick up that's decent, use it. Do not make yourself nuts. So here we go. And because that oasis is wet, it is going to take the sticks very, very well. I took the boxwood off the table so you can see better what it is that I'm going to do. So I have my top on. Now I want to get 4, you know, when you're going through them, you see good ones. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is better. 1, 2, 3. So I have 4 like branches. I trimmed them so they are the same. And what I like about these is that they're going to be going up. Now you need to trim off, and I am going to take a little bit more off that stem. Okay, so here's the first one, and that will go in like that. And as you can see, maybe I need to cut that shorter. Okay, there. It's going up. See how it's going up? So that's what I want. So you put one at the bottom there, turn it. Don't make yourself too crazy with these, because in the end, it always looks beautiful. There's 2, 3, and there is my 4th bottom. And you can see how it goes up. This one probably doesn't go up as well as the others. I'm going to angle it more. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep adding and adding the branches until I get what I like. So what I'm doing is I'm actually going in the middle, in between the bottom and that top, and adding branches. And you can see that it is starting to take shape. So now I'm just going to continue going around and around, and I'll be back. So I'm back just to show you how it's coming along, and I love the way it's coming along. If I'm lucky, I'll get a tree out of this. And I'm making this for my sister-in-law. She's hosting Christmas, so I am getting this together for her. So let me just turn it. And I am working my way up. I'm loving it. Yes, yes I am. Here's another peek. It's coming along. I think it's looking like a tree this time. I just have to fill in the very top over here and try to get some form into that. So Lou Ricci, what do you think of the tree?
It's beautiful.
Louder?
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Want to say hello? Here you go.
Greetings.
So I am done, and I think it looks great. I have red berries and gold berries on it. It's not a tree, but it's a bush. It's a Christmas bush. Well, I hope you give this a try. And thanks for joining me, and Merry Christmas.